truly a work of art.
It's not something that you start one day and you're done the next. It takes weeks, months, years, start to finish.
It's all about craftsmanship here at Marquis Yachts. Lexus has influenced the building process in several ways. It has a higher standard, higher quality. Every detail is so important. And we have the ability, and we have reached it, and we're going beyond that.
This is beyond anything we've ever done before. And it's limitless after this, and for the fact that we get to build a yacht inspired by Lexus, another company with a great history of innovation and quality. We were very good at boat building, and we're going to make something pretty amazing.
Here at Marquis Yachts, many design and engineering hours were spent on the LY 650. Lexus influenced and challenged us to accomplish things on this project that would have never been done on a production yacht. In the end, the product has this flowing, organic feel that really felt critical to the Lexus image. Nothing is a square, nothing is a box. Everything has some sort of movement. We have the strength of everything that is Lexus and the experience of more than 65 years of boat building from the Marquis side. When it's done, this boat is going to be something that's never been seen before.
If you think of the phrase, attention to detail, it's synonymous with Lexus. And that's been the theme for the yacht they've inspired. For this build, there's around 30 dedicated individuals, but parts and pieces wise, there's hundreds of people that touch what goes into this yacht. The Japanese and American work ethic is quite similar, and there's an extreme sense of pride from both cultures. There's a meshing of talents, and you have to have a singular vision of craftsmanship, attention to detail, and commitment to design in order to make something like this work. The LY